Opening Shiny Treasure X High Class Pack Japanese Edition. Box, small box, 100 cards. Ten cards for pack. Taurus supporter. Little blue thing. Green ball. Pink ball with eyes. Base. And great promo card. Pokemon. Another dolphin. Some kind of building. And duplicate. The second pack. Doggy. Pokemon object. Some kind of pig. Some kind of rock. A little creature. Duplicate. A new promo card. Maybe duplicate. Unique card. Green level 1. Duplicate. Level 1 squirrel supporter. Probably duplicate. Base. Duplicate. Level 2 yellow flash. Don't have this. Level 2 Godzilla monster. Level 1 some kind of star. Oh great, level 2 Charizard. Error. A new card. I don't even know what it is. Base, a new one. Another new one. Green. Little creature. Duplicate, I think. The dog with the candles. Creature. Like a little kid. Level 2. And base. And at the end, probably duplicate error. Energy cards. A star, new one. A crow, new one. Supporters, new one. Great box. Green cat. Mice. All new ones. Some kind of robot. A purple one, level 2. A new one. Wow, base. Some kind of rock. Very beautiful card. And Taurus. I think it's duplicate. Level 2. Some kind of dragon. A new card. Stadium. Great. A new stadium. A bull. New one. Supporter. Old intelligent man with glasses. A new one. This is probably duplicate. A new one. Some kind of animal in a tree. A star. Some kind of ant. Promo card. Awesome. Level 1. Base. A parrot or something. Another stadium. Beautiful one. A village. Level 2. Green card. A new one again. This box is amazing so far. A supporter. Some kind of blue fox, a new one. Object, Pokemon Green Ball, a new one. Some kind of mouse, a creature, a new one again, little girl creature. Level 1, some kind of sky robot. Level 1, some kind of creature. And level 1, some kind of monster. And base, lightning, snake, beautiful. Maybe so far I have only 2-3 duplicate cards. Amazing box, probably the best I have opened so far. Fingers, red fingers, stadium. Maybe I have this object, blue animal, duplicate, duplicate again, I think. The dog, white dog. Some kind of creature, lightning. Base. And duplicate. I think I have this. Level 1 bird. Apple, I think I have this. Duplicate. Base. Duplicate again. A new one. Green. A new one. A gull. Green bird. New one again. Some kind of spider. Promo card. Promo supporter. Beautiful woman. Great card. Beautiful blonde woman with blue eyes. Energy cards. A star. And a great promo card base, RR. And the last pack of this amazing, really amazing box. The best box so far. Okay, duplicate for sure. Duplicate again. A Taurus or a bull. I think this is also duplicate. This is a new one, the snake. Very rare cards. They don't come up at all. Base. A pig, maybe. A blue thing. Level 2 green. New one. Level 2 kind of fox. Level 1 AR. Fingers. The best card in the pack. Probably worth a lot. Fingers promo. And the last card, some pink kid creature. The best box I have opened so far. Amazing cards. And that's it for the video.